Plus the water truck. Boy, do we ever need it after yesterday. Still recovering from yesterday. It's this area here. Oh, you got your precious in a stroller too?
You bet, we spoil her.
Is that one dangerous? Because I've heard that there are
Not at all.
dangerous.
She's a big suck.
Is she?
Well,
Can I put her out?
Yeah, oh yeah. She's very friendly.
Oh.
She's a very gentle chihuahua. She has trouble with,
okay.
She doesn't like big dogs though.
I got bit by one and then I had to go like this.
She doesn't even have any
still
teeth.
hanging on,
She
and
doesn't
then I
even
got a
have teeth.
scar.
No teeth.
No teeth. Oh, she's safe.
Yeah.
Oh, you just should have said no teeth.
But she doesn't.
No.
Yes. Yeah. Even if she was mean, even if she was mean and bad.
She ever nice.
Oh, she's wonderful. She's my dog.
Oh, is she?
Yep. She sleeps on my face every night.
Oh, she's
And she
wonderful.
jumps up on my chest like a little goat.
She's
And I
nice
say,
and healthy.
I say, get off me, and she pretends she's invisible.
Does she? Oh, I do that myself.
Can we give you something for your dog?
What's that?
It should be right at the end. Oh, no, right here.
All right. I don't know if you will like them, but I have these.
Okay,
Awesome.
we can try one of those. She's a fussy dog.
I know,
This is
so-
Daisy.
Hi, Daisy.
How did she eat those with no teeth?
She's got back molar.
Oh, okay. Sometimes she'll eat it because she knows
Okay.
we're going to the women's
Okay,
center.
hold on, hold on.
Oh, they got really good pork chops.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
get one. He doesn't.
I'm
she
going to
doesn't
share
like
my
this
pork
kind.
chop
I know,
with her.
that's all I got.
No. Oh, is that? Oh, I bought 5 bags of those.
No, 2 bags.
No, I bought more than 2 bags.
No,
I know I
2
did.
bags. One was a red glove.
Whatever.
She's got lots of treats, don't
tried.
worry.
Hi,
I
Dee.
spoil her.
What's
She's
her
a
name?
pandemic
What's her
puppy, Daisy.
Daisy, this is Nene.
Nene?
Nene.
Nene. Hey, Nene.
It's actually Linnea, but our grandchildren,
Oh.
say Nene. So
Oh.
it's okay.
No, she usually doesn't get jealous. She's hungry.
Oh, okay.
She knows I share the food with her, right?
Oh, I get that for you.
Yeah, we just
And I
had
put
pork
it
chops.
in her.
Are you trying to play with
Put
me?
it in her dog food, because otherwise she won't eat her little dog food.
She's playing with me.
Oh yeah, she's a brat.
Gotta hold on to it, okay? I'm going this way. Well, hold on.
Nice
Okay.
talking to you.
You too.
See ya. Did she drop it again? Nope. Okay, Daisy. Jump down. Jump down. That's what you need to have puppies, Daisy. A little stool for that little guy. It's a nice day out. This alley that stinks. Oh, it's much better. Much better. Much better than yesterday. Thank you, water truck. Because this water truck is a lot more water than the little water trucks they were bringing here with little drizzles making it worse.